Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So today we will be seeing about modules. So what is a module? In Verilog, module means a Verilog code which has a certain functionality and which can be used to build a larger circuit. So here is the explanation, you can go through it. So how can you write a module or call a module? There are two methods, by positioning and by name. Here it is given, you can go through it. So what is our problem statement? The figure below shows a simple circuit. Create one instance of a model mod A. Then connect the model 3 pins to top level. So we have to call the mod A. This is already defined model, and this is the mod name. We will do it by position, like A B C means input, output. A comma B comma out. Let's submit it. So the compilation process has been started. So as you can see, the status is success and there is no mismatch in the timing diagram. So we will move on to the next one. Position of modules. This is similar to the last one. Here there is a one bigger module named mod A. We have to write the same code for this, but this time they have given us the instantiation like this: output, output, input, input, input. So we have to declare it like that only. Mod of A, mod A. Mod 1 is the name, output 1, output 2, inputs A, B, C, D. So we have to say. So compilation process has been started. So as you can see, the status is success and there is no mismatch in the timing diagram. So that's all for today. In the next step, we will see more about the modules.